Question number 35. The graph shows the percentage of different blood groups in a human population. Which type of variation is shown by human blood groups? So variation, there are two types of variations, continuous variation and discontinuous variations. And the continuous variation, for example, is like weight, even height, anything that you can present or you can express in numbers, or that has the intermediate values. But for the blood groups, you can see there's no intermediate values. They're all discrete values. So they are discontinuous variation, and often the discontinuous variations are only affected by the genetic factors. So even if you, let's say, become vegetarian, okay, for instance, doesn't make any sense at all, but even if you become vegetarian and eat veggies only for the rest of your life, it's not going to change your blood group, blood type. Nothing you do won't change your blood type. So it's all genetically determined before you're born. So continuous variation, on the other hand, is affected by both genetic and environmental factors, such as weight and height, right? If the environment is providing a person with a lot of, let's say, healthy food, like a lot of food, then the child is likely to become tall, right? That he or she has more chance of becoming tall than a person who doesn't have much food around him or her. So continuous variation is affected by both factors. However, discontinuous variation is only affected by the genetic factors. So the answer for this question is D.